Now, the police watchdog is taking legal action against Scotland Yard over the use of a controversial counter-terrorism power. Schedule 7 of the Terrorism Act allows officers to stop and question people at airports for up to 9 hours without reasonable suspicion. The IPPC wants the Met to reveal information about how the tactic is being used. Well, Sekunda Kamani has more on this. Sek, how unusual is this move by the Independent Police Complaints Commission?
Well, Alice, it's extremely unusual, but Schedule 7 is a controversial tactic. There are proposed changes to it going through Parliament at the moment, but as it stands, it allows, as you say, police to detain people arriving or leaving the country at airports or international rail terminals for up to 9 hours and question them about terrorist activity, even if there are no grounds to reasonably suspect they're involved in any wrongdoing. Now, these stops are not meant to be done on the basis of ethnicity, but some British Muslims feel they're being unfairly targeted by the power. And the IPPC are currently supervising 19 complaints involving Schedule 7 and the Metropolitan Police. Some of those who made those complaints spoke to the campaign group Cage Prisoners after their experiences.
Many of those who came to us have said that they've been detained for up to 9 hours. They've missed their flights. They've been asked quite, seemingly ridiculous questions which have nothing to do with counter-extremism, such as what mosque do you go to? What do you think of the Queen? What do you think of Barack Obama?
So what more can you tell us about this legal action?
Well, for months now, the IPPC and the Met Police have been locked in a dispute about these complaints. The IPPC says that the Met isn't properly investigating them. They say they've been causing delays and that they're not sharing with the IPPC crucial information about the cases. So they've gone to the High Court and are seeking a judicial review.
Well, we're unhappy with the Met on 3 counts. They've delayed investigating these complaints. They failed to provide information on the reason for the stops, and they've also failed to provide us with the reports and background information that we've asked for.
Well, in response to this today, the Met Police said that they recognise the importance of the IPPC's role and that they've been trying to share with them as much information as they can in the circumstances. The issue was raised in City Hall a few weeks ago, and it was said that one of the difficulties the police were facing was sharing potentially sensitive information that had been given to them by other agencies. But it remains now for the police to examine this court move and to file a response.
OK, Sekunda Kamani, thanks very much for that.